Guide dogs.
5 yellow golden retriever puppies play outside together. Meet Sailor, Sasha, Sunday, Skip, and Tia. Sailor and Sunday play with a pink octopus toy, and Tia walks towards the camera. Sunday and Sailor look at the camera. Sunday lies under a toy car. Tia and Skip investigate a rattle, and Sasha chews on a blanket. Tia chews and rests her head on a purple octopus toy. Sailor chews on a wubber toy, and then Skip looks inside a wagon of a toy tractor. Sasha runs towards the camera. Tia and Sunday play tug with the rope toy. Skip runs towards the camera.
Guide dogs.